Hi everyone, I'm Lacey with Sleep Foundation, and in our test lab today, we have a mouthpiece by Sleep Tight. In our review today, we'll explain a little bit about what this device does, what we like about it, and how it works. But before we get started, take a minute to like or subscribe and leave a comment below. And if there's a product you'd like to see us review here at Sleep Foundation, let us know in the comments too. Snoring is of course quite common. It's estimated that nearly half the population snores at some point during the night. But of course, snoring could also be a sign of something else going on. When you snore, the muscles in your throat and your mouth become super relaxed. And so when you breathe, those tissues vibrate and cause the snoring sound. Snoring can be the result of any number of issues. It could be the result of a weight issue or because you drank too much alcohol, or it could be simply a product of the anatomy of your mouth. On the other hand, snoring could also be a symptom of something else, such as sleep apnea. So if you're concerned about your snoring being indicative of a bigger issue, make sure you speak to a medical professional. Now, anti-snoring mouthpieces generally come in two different kinds. One is called a mandibular advancement device, or MAD. These devices gently push your lower jaw forward to increase the amount of airflow in the back of your throat and reduce the presence of those vibrations. The other is a TRD, or a tongue retaining device. These usually grip your tongue and prevent it from falling to the back of your throat. This Sleep Tight mouthpiece we have today is an MAD, and it's designed to keep the jaw forward and provide a bit of tension in your throat muscles. Let's take a closer look at how this works. This mouthpiece is made from a malleable plastic that you can form to your mouth. The material is BPA and latex free, and it's fairly rigid. As you can see, this comes with a rigid plastic handle to help you form the mouthpiece to your mouth. When we got this in, it took us a little bit to figure out how to work this attachment, but you simply push in the handles here, the little piece comes off, then you push the handles in again, and you're gonna push it through the mouthpiece. Now to form this to your mouth, you'll place this in hot boiling water for 2.5 minutes. You'll want to use a spoon or tongs to hold it under the water. Now, the manufacturer recommends placing this on the bottom teeth first, then bite down into the top to let it form to your teeth. With the mouth guard in, then form the rest of the mouth guard around your mouth so it secures a tight fit. Once the mouth guard is formed, then dunk it to an ice bath for about 5 minutes to firm up the molding. If you have any issues with the fit or need to form any reimpressions, just repeat the process over again. Make sure to hang on to the holder pieces. This is in case you do need to do this again. Also, it may be helpful to mold the mouthpiece in front of a mirror. Otherwise, if it's ready to go, just pop it in. Let's take a look at some of the fine print. You can purchase this device directly from Sleep Tight's website. A shipping fee applies, but the device usually arrives within 3 to 5 days. Sleep Tight offers a 30-day trial. If you're unhappy with the device for any reason, you can return it for a refund. So if you're in the market for an anti-snoring mouthpiece, head over to sleepfoundation.org for the most up-to-date info on pricing and availability. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe. If there's a specific product you'd like to see us review, leave a note in the comments. As always, thanks for watching, and sleep tight.